Hi, my name's Stephen and I'm at the Arteton showroom today in the Prince's Arcade, testing out Bootblack's new products. We're using the Collections wax from Bootblack's to bring up these Edward greens with a mirror shine. This is the new wax by Bootblack, and we're about to use this to high shine the shoes. Starting to look good. Looking quite nice. I'm using a darker tone on the heels and the toe cap to give it like a patinaed effect. So as you can see, the high shine is starting to take effect, and we'll build that around the side of the shoe and onto the heels. So now we're using high shine coat, and this will be in dark brown, and that will be just a highlight on the toes and give it a slight patina. Wow, wow, I love this. Yeah, I've worked out the method. This is good. The Bootblack method. It definitely is.